Hello everyone, this is TexCoin. First video of 2020. Hope everybody enjoyed their New Year's celebration and hope everybody is safe and sound and ready for new discoveries. Now, what I have to share with you all today is going to be a 1983 D Denver Mint US penny. What I found on this 1983 Denver Mint penny is pretty strange. Some of you might think that it's surface made, but if you look at it very carefully, I want you to see it, because if it was surface made, it would be totally different. But let me get to your normal 1983 Denver Mint US penny, 1 cent. This is your normal Obverse mint on a 1983 Denver Mint penny. Of course, as you can see, it's dirty. It's a lot of wear and tear on it, but not bad for a circulated penny. Not bad, right? Not bad looking circulated 1 cent. Now we go to your reverse. Not bad, right? Well, your reverse on this one here will be almost the same wear and tear. Dents here and there, right? This is a circulated penny. But the interesting part of this penny is going to be on the obverse, which is the front portion of your coin. Okay. Let me see here. Okay, here we go. What do you think? Surface made? Pretty strange, scary looking penny, right? Now those markings are really fine. They're just going in one direction, which is downward, or at an angle this way. But they're all really nicely formed. That's what really got my attention, that they were all nicely formed. Now, if it was surface made, they won't be as nicely formed as they are. And it'll be all marked. Not only a certain part of the coin, but this part of the rim would be affected as well. But it's only this part of the rim along the head and shoulder area. So that's what made it interesting. Now, some of these coins that we find out here, out in circulation, might not look like they're worth money, but some of them are really, really actually nice variety type of mint airs. This one looks like if he's behind a window or caught in a storm, I would say that you are looking through some sort of glass or something that it's raining outside or something like that, because that looks like a real nice type of variety type of mint air in comparison to your normal view. And that's why I found it to be unique, strange, awesome variety type of mint air on this 1983 D Denver Mint US penny. But of course, as I like is to share and receive some comments from all my viewers and subscribers. Thank you all very much. Joanne, Jean, Janice, Matthew, James, and all my subscribers out there. Thank you all very much for continuing to view my videos and for continuing to subscribe. Fuentes, Joe, Jamie. I know I'm forgetting a whole bunch of my subscribers, viewers, and all my people that are sending me those awesome comments. Some are funny, some are nice, some are very, very nice, and I really appreciate your comments and your sincereness when it comes to this type of coins. I hope you like this one as well. Send me a comment and see what you guys think. Thank you all very much. Happy New Year to everybody. Y'all be safe. Take care. Bye-bye.